Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll present a recipe, moussaka, a traditional Bulgarian recipe, step by step. Classic Bulgarian moussaka with minced meat and potatoes. Ingredients. For the base: potatoes, 1.2 kilograms, 7 to 8 medium. Minced meat, pork/beef mix, 700 g. Onion, 1 large, 200 g. Carrot, 100 g. Tomato puree, 200 g. Water or broth, 200 milliliters. Oil, 3 tablespoons. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon, optional. Salt, 2 teaspoons. Black pepper, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon. Fresh parsley, a handful. Ingredients. For the topping: yogurt, 3.6%, 400 g. Eggs, 3, size L. All-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon. Pinch of salt. Preparation method. Preparation: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat. Peel and dice the potatoes, 1 × 1 cm. Finely chop the onion and dice the carrot. Filling: heat oil in a pan, add onion and carrot, and sauté for 4 to 5 minutes. Add minced meat and cook until browned and crumbly, 6 to 8 minutes. Season with paprika, cumin, black pepper, and salt. Stir in tomato puree and water, simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, then add parsley. Preparation method. Assembly: mix the filling with the diced potatoes and stir well. Pour into a baking dish and level the surface. If the mixture looks dry, add 50 to 100 milliliters of hot water. First baking. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes, until the potatoes are tender. If the top starts to dry out, cover with aluminum foil for part of the time. Topping. In a bowl, whisk the eggs with salt. Add the yogurt and flour, and mix until smooth. Preparation method. Final baking. Pour the topping over the moussaka and spread evenly. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until golden. For a crispier top, turn on the grill for the last 1 to 2 minutes. Serving: let the moussaka rest for 10 to 15 minutes to set. Serve with a spoon of yogurt, a sprinkle of parsley, and a pinch of paprika. Nutritional values: per serving, out of 8. Calories: 467 kcal. Protein: 23 g. Fat: 26 g. Carbohydrates: 34 g. Useful tips: the smaller the potato cubes, the faster they cook. For a lighter version, reduce the oil and use leaner minced meat. For richer flavor, add small butter cubes on top before the final bake. If you enjoy these recipes, hit thumbs up and subscribe for many more ideas. Thank you.